time for part 5. It's just, we're at the top floor, just looking at the little trains that you see on the way to the play area and the product area, and just a bunch of info.
Tinker.
And cargo thingy. Southern Pacific, the little person. And now to the engine. The tender and the engine itself. And okay, it's the end of that train. We're pretty high up. This is actually a level above. And there's a little thing. Okay, now, Mom, I'm gonna head this way. Here's a model live steam in miniature. So it's just a little train, 1828, Southern Pacific. Hobbyist, Z-scale. Oh, that's cool. Little, oh, that's tiny. They're tiny trains. Oh my gosh, that is tiny. Now, here's the little things you can get. Look at Legos, Harry Potter. Little controller thingy, Hogwarts Express. And then little toys. And then a spear stuff. Talking station. That's pretty cool. Little logging section. Sorry, that's loud. It's kind of loud. And here's a little section where you can play with model trains. They're encased in glass, so you can't touch them or break them. And here is
Okay, leave them alone.
How's it getting dark?
Because it is. They're turning the lights off.
The little
Come on.
section. Okay, press the buttons to highlight the artifacts. Where are the artifacts? Oh, right here, there's the industrial power station, and then the Vinyl tunnel, then the roundhouse. It's not lighting up. Oh yeah, the lights are broken. And then standard gauge. I don't know what that's supposed to do. Okay. And oh, it's a little radio. Cool. So that was part 5. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe. I make new videos all the time. And hope you enjoyed. Bye.